Hey guys, today we're playing Pass the Bomb, but we're being to be a Karen. See me a Karen, obviously. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, who's this?
I tried to change.
Since I died because of an intro. Anyways, I don't like this map. It gives whenever I just whenever I just see this, it will just like the lava will go up, and I don't like it. Anyways, pass the bomb. Where's my sweater and my pants? I think they don't belong here. Hi! Ew.
I'm already crying.
I just went to a different server. Let's see. Okay, guys. Okay, I think this is the butterfly.
Do you want a candy?
Yes, sure.
Carrot.
Hey, don't mess with me.
Anyways. Oh. Huh. Y'all so dumb. How did you? They can come here. They can come here. Dude. Excuse me. Did I just die? I will not die. Phantom, you better get your shadow out because I will take your shadow out. Phantom, I will not die. It's only better if I didn't die. I need to win, bro. Who? You must be my son. Oh, shit. Don't judge people's Wi-Fi or internet. Do not judge people's Wi-Fi. It's very rude. It's very rude. You know, it's very rude. Do you know why judging Wi-Fi is rude? Because you think he ain't judging, bro. He is. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh yeah. I forgot to say. This credits from Duncanyounot because I decided to make this idea. So thank you, Duncanyounot. You're my favorite fan. You're my favorite YouTuber. I like what I said. Bro, I ain't judging. I also get lag sometimes. Lagging people like true, but they are evil Leafy from BFDI. That's literally evil Leafy from BFDI, y'all. Does somebody agree me? You don't know BFDI. Oh wait. Oh god, okay. Slay! Get Ariana Grande! You don't know BFDI.
I'm already crying. DJ!
and even teapot. You don't know BFDI, BFDIA, DFP, and even teapot. Huh. Wait, no.
I'm already crying.
Oh my gosh.
DJ!
I ruined you all. Oh my god. How dare you? Karen deserves oh my gosh. Deserves. Oh my gosh, let me just deserve. That's better. Karen, oh my god, I can't. Karen deserves. Karen deserves better. Okay, that's good. Wait a minute, wait, I just realized that this map is literally big like the Eiffel Tower. You know this place is. You know this platform. It's just literally big of the size of the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower. Bro's floating. Karen deserves. Okay. Hey! Johnny, yes, Papa.
Today is about your mom. My name's Diana, and I have it all. Mother knows best.
Hi, guys. My name is Karen. This better be longer than your toenail. Yeah, you're so nice to me. Hi. It's just the thing that you only need. That's these. Okay, this better be looking like the Eiffel Tower right now. This is the inside of the Eiffel Tower. You see? Cool. Ignore the background because my mom's singing for no reason. Dodge. Wow. Truly wow. Poopy diaper was that? Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, guys! Yay! Hi,
I'm already crying.
oh no! Yeah! Oh my gosh! Oh, you think you can escape? Hey, sisters! Hey there! Hey guys! Let's move! Alphabetics! Choose y'all? Oh no! Well, I think we're going to live like this forever and ever. For November forever. Forever for number. November, February, January, Marchuary. Guys, I think this is all. I think we lost. 3, 2, 1, begin. I don't want to be walking. I want to be fast because I won't walk because I keep walking like a dinosaur, baby egg or something. You're mad. Boza. Deserved. Let us free. So you. Oh no. Oh, never mind. Ah! Oh, I'm safe. I'm safe. Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Ah! Oh no! Ah! Oh, that's good. I know, Deborah. Wait, oh! You! Dentist! I'm safe. You! I hope no. Oh, wait, I forgot to say, hi, I'm Karen. Karen!
I'm already crying.
Oh my god! Yay! I'm the queen. Okay. No. Okay. Well, bye guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you have fun. Guys. And there. Thank you.